Hello, this is only a quick tutorial on how to set your default browser. Just simply go to your start menu, then you can type the control panel. Just type the control panel. Then there you have it. Go to control panel. Just click the program, this one. In your program, just click the default programs, and in your default program, just click this set your default programs. Then there you have it. You can, in your default apps, in your email, you can choose what browser you want, but we will go to the web browser of what you preferred browser. You can try the Microsoft Edge, the Brave, the Firefox, the Google Chrome, the Opera, Vivaldi, Yandex, and more kinds are your most preferred browser, guys. So I choose the Google Chrome. I prefer this, and this is a fast browser. And also there are other browsers, especially the Brave. I will make a new video on that and how to install and earn money on Brave browser. So this is only a quick video, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos update. Thank you. Bye bye.